Okay, part 2 asks us to now solve this equation. We're obviously not going to use 4 cos theta minus sine theta. We're going to use what we turned that into. So we're going to solve root 17 cos of theta plus 14.0 equals 2. And just notice the range, it's between minus 180 and 180. First step is to divide by that the root 17. And then I'm going to inverse cos that. Which is going to give me 60.98, so 61.0 degrees. Now if we use our tan graph to work out what other values we're looking for, we've got this 61.0 here. The next one would be 360 minus 61, so 299. 299 is going to end up being too big. Even though we've got to take this 14 off, that's not going to get me down to 180. So the other value that we're looking for is this one over here. And because the cos graph is symmetrical, the other value that we're interested in is minus 61. So theta plus 14.0 equals 61 or minus 61. And therefore theta can be these two values with just with 14 taken off. So that gives me a value of 46.9 because of the accuracy or the lack of. These two numbers rounded to 14 and 61, but they were actually obviously not exactly 16 and 14. So I've typed in on my calculator that the real 61.0 take away that real alpha value that we had earlier, the 46.9466. Sorry, 14.036. And when I do that subtraction, I actually land on 46.9, not 47.0. So just watch out for things like that. They might take a mark off if you write 47.0. Depends how generous they're feeling on the mark scheme. Anyway, the other value is going to come from the negative 61. And then I'm going to take another 14.0 off that. Again, I'm using the real values, but this one is more straightforward. This is just 75.0 even when rounded correctly. So those are the two answers that you're looking for, 46.9 or 47 you might have, and negative 75.